Okay, guys, good and welcome. So I have this question from JAMB 1981, question 46, where we are asked to simplify 1 plus 2 divided by 3 minus 4 divided by 5 plus 6 divided by 7. So jump into this quickly by writing solution. Write solution. Now, to solve this, we start from the listing. That is, we start from the bottom. So we have at our bottom 5 plus 6 divided by 7. And this is equal to, all right, we make 7 our LCM. And we take note of the fact that 5 carries an imaginary 1 at its bottom. So 7 divided by 1, we have 7. 5 times 7 gives us 35. 35 plus 7 divided by 7, we have 1. 1 times 6, we have 6. This is equal to 41 over 7. Now next, we input what we have as our answer into a fraction. So we have up 3 minus 4, now divided by 41 over 7. This is equal to 3 minus 4 divided by 41 over 7. We convert our division to multiplication. So we'll have 3 minus 4 times 7 goes up, 41 comes down. So we have 7 over 41. This in turn is equal to 3 minus 4 times 7 gives us 28 over 41. All right, we make 41 our LCM. Now, 41 divided by 1 gives us 41. 41 times 3, we have 123. Minus 41 divided by 41, we have 1. 1 times 28 gives us 28. This in turn is equal to 123 minus 28, we have 95 over 41. What we've got here, we further impute it into our fraction. So finally, we end up having, we have 1 plus 2 divided by 95 over 41, right? All right, we'll continue that solving and take note of the fact that this is equal to 1 plus 2, put the sign of division, divided by 95 over 41. This in turn is equal to 1 plus 2. Division, convert division to multiplication. When 41 comes up, we have 41 over 95. Now, having done this, we proceed and we have 1 plus 2 times 41. We have 82. 2 times 41 gives us 82. We have 82 over 95 equal to, we make 95 our LCM. Now, 95 divided by 1 gives us 95. 95 times 1, we have 95 plus 95 divided by 95, we have 1. 1 times 82, we have 82. So at our numerator, we have 95 plus 82 gives us 177 divided by 95. We leave our answer at this because this is what we find in our option. However, we can continue solving by converting our improper fraction into mixed fraction. So thank you for listening.